Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Do you ever go to Colaba Causeway and you look around and you're like, oh my god, I am so confused, I don't know what to buy? Yeah, mohalle ki auntie, they look at you, give you a stare and be like, oh god, she's a major fashion foppa. If that's your concern, then hey guys, it's me Avantika and today we'll discuss the must-have accessories that will easily glam you up and make you look like a diva. Believe me, it's legit, it's affordable and it's right there in front of you. All you need to do is just pick the right ones. So let's start! So the first accessory that I have is, I think, one thing that all girls must have it. And we might think that okay, we're not seeing our Bollywood actors flaunt it this often, but trust me, it's going to escalate and become a trend real soon. So these pair of sunglasses are a must-have. They are called the Matrix sunglasses. Okay, the happy 90s trend which has come back. I'll show you. Oh my god, how am I looking, DOP? So then, yeah. Okay, before I look stupid, I'll tell you, these sunglasses, like we know that destination weddings have become like a rage. So when you have that perfect haldi ceremony, when you're attending your friend's haldi ceremony, just wear these with your lehenga or any Indian outfit and you're super duper good to go. Or when you're heading out for like brunches or like a movie date in the afternoon and you're just wanting to glam up your, simple tee and jeans look, this is all that you need. So the ones who can pull off like those leopard print frames and those neon color frames and also these funky like purple and pink color shades, I think hats off to you guys, like really hats off. But the ones who are a little this about the color, like you like to keep it a bit subtle, so I think black is the color for you and it goes with almost anything. And trust me, you don't have to go scouting for it like in brands or whatever. Just for everyone who's in Bombay or who loves to come to Bombay, just hit Colaba Causeway and every vendor has this. So I picked it off Colaba Causeway for 200 bucks. So yeah, I think a pair of Matrix sunglasses right now is very important. Let's see what is next. This is my little cute box. Okay, yeah, this is really important, like really important. A bandana which is so cute. Now they have like these wire inserts, so your bow always remains in. Now you can get this from H&M or Forever 21 or even from your street shops. So it's not like, you have to go to a particular shop or a store to get this. You can pick this off from literally anywhere and you can wear this with anything. Like, I'm not kidding. Wear it with like a plain dress. If you have a white skater dress, just team it up with that. Okay, or say if you're wearing a jersey with like your plain shorts, or if you're wearing a basic white t-shirt, just put this on your head and you automatically see that you get this retro vibe. And now when you're wearing this, believe me, there is something that you really need to pair this up with, and the hero of today's time, and that is hoops. So no matter what the size is, wait, I've got another size because I'm that obsessed with hoops of different textures and different patterns. So my third accessory that a girl, according to me, a girl should always have is hoops. Like I'm so glad I was born in the 90s because all of these trends are like from then. So yeah, and don't we all know, like all of us wear hoops. Don't you think that it just makes our face look so much like hotter? And yeah, and trust me, a lot of people, like, they just say that Avantika, your face is so small, this is as big as your face. So they just like, it's not your problem, like, just stay out. Because I believe the bigger the hoop, the hotter you look. So just go with these. And like I'm saying, these are like those regular ones, and then you have like these medium sized ones, which is not too big, not too small, and they also make quite a statement. So yeah, so let's take a recap. So we've done the Matrix sunglasses, a 90s trend. We've done the bandana, again an 1890 trend. And now we've done the hoops, which is a 90s trend. Now let's see what is next. This one I'd recently bought, and I show this in my shopping haul. So if you want to check out the shopping haul, it's in the description below. Now, again, for people who feel that shoulder dusters are way too passe, please, it's not. So the next one that I have is a shoulder duster. Now, what is the new peg that's come in within this trend is that it's come in these crystal forms. Okay, these are obviously these are not real crystals, but it just gives, like, it oozes out elegance to another level, and it just makes your face stand out. So make sure that whenever you're opting for a shoulder duster, you don't wear like prints, because they will just kill the entire vibe. Opt for like solid colors, and for more or less for like, you know, either singlets or strappy silhouettes, you know. So your tube dresses will go amazing, and there's no better combination than gold and black. So yeah, that my heart is like sold on that. So shoulder dusters and with these crystal details, I think should be the fourth must-have accessory. Alright, then moving on, our chokers have got a major desi update, and I think it looks gorgeous. You just have to like wear it like that, so you can tie it. So it's free size, anyone can like wear it. Now the update is that it's come with these tassel like tinglings, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. And because it is silver oxidized, you can literally wear it with anything. So this one, again, I think you should like totally have a choker which is in silver oxidized and with a tassel detail. Okay, now after that I've shown you my little box, I'm going to move on to the next accessory, which is a statement clutch / sling bag. You know why this becomes like a statement is because it's in a metallic color. So your metallics go with everything. That's why we all wear metallic heels, right? So yeah, I think be it your Indian ethnic wear, your dresses, or your, you know, even your formal, like your semi-formal pantsuits, this go best. And because it comes with like a sling, you can immediately like switch it. So yeah, I think this is like a fab addition, and it's like easy to go and like very quick to hold. It's not too fussy, and it makes quite a statement. So I think this should be a must-have. Now I'll tell you, jugaad is the way of life. So here's a jugaad that I have. Like I said, jugaad is the way of life. So the next must-have accessory is a belt, and a belt which comes out of a clutch, but no one needs to know that. So whenever you're wearing like these A-line flowy dresses and you need definition, but you're not really sure about say what belt to wear, I think that this one is a perfect hack. So all you've got to do is wrap it around your dress and put it or wear it the way you want it, you know, the way you like it. And again, it gives your body great definition and you look amazing. So a must-have accessory is a metallic clutch and a belt, preferably something that comes out of this very thing. Now I'll tell you another one was, this is also, it's an addition, this is also actually a sling bag chain. But I had worn it with a black dress of mine and it looks amazing. Like I just wrapped it around and it became a statement on its own. So yeah, like always don't throw off your slings, you know, the straps that comes out of your bag, and you'll know this is super helpful. Cool. So the last but a major and a really important accessory that every girl should always have is a perfume. So if you cannot, like if you're traveling or if you're going for work or you know even college or whatever, so if you cannot carry like those huge bottles, I prefer carrying like these cute miniatures or like those roll-on that come in, so that you know if you're in a situation to do anything, just remove it, tuck, and you're good. So perfume is very important, and quoting Chanel, like Coco Chanel again, is that a woman who does not wear perfume does not have a future. And listen, we all have a really bright future. So my last and really important accessory that every girl must have is a perfume, because the smell really leaves a lasting impression. Okay then, so that's all from me today. I hope it was helpful, and it better be, because these are the accessories which are, like I said in my introduction, affordable right there in front of us, and all we need to do is just look around and just like pick it up, and it's instantly going to glam you up. And I'm having the time of my life sitting on this beanbag, and I have never felt this comfortable. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla. Also, I just forgot that another accessory is a rubber band, so you need to always have a rubber band, and I think that's a wrap. Okay, bye.